friends with me? Who amongst my friends are you seeing? Who? And don't you dare lie to me. How dare you lie to me? I am the boss. And I hate liars. I hate lies.
You dare bully me? And you have the effrontery to slap me? Ever? Don't even try it again. Don't ever try it again, because you'll not like my work. Try it.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my favorite chef. How you doing?
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm perfect.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I just wanted to touch me. Okay?
For Lagos, which kind of way be this one where I carry for motor now? See, Ashawo, God go punish you. God go punish your generation. You see, Yahoo boys go carry you, Yahoo plus, they go fuck you up for this town. For Lagos, now you do this thing. Wait, man, check our back, sir. See, job, oh. Thank God, say your back day here. You the man. Eh? Wait, I'm gonna see this girl, oh. Hey! Oh boy, this girl don't job me, oh. You the grace. God go punish you. God go punish you.
Hello, Lizzie. How far now? How far?
Tina. Tina, turn akara for me. Customers go soon be here. You there, they answer call. Every time you two, they answer call. I go pour you hot oil here.
Hello? Abeg, call me back here. Call me back. I dey busy. I dey mom's shop here. Abeg. Alright. Yeah. Bye-bye.
I don't tell you, so anytime you dey come my shop, keep this phone for house. One day I go put this phone inside hot oil, your eye go open. Turn akara fast.
Ha! Mama, good afternoon. I never read.
Now Tina, she there they answer call.
Wow. Tina, what's up now?
My guy, how far now?
Nah, me I do.
Now wetin Chelsea and Man you play?
Oh boy, they play draw.
Why now? Why Chelsea no help us kill Man you now?
Oh boy, that entire me.
Now what other clubs they kill Man you reach our turn, they no gree die.
I'm Chelsea na nonsense club now. You guys, you know now. Nah, that can't entire person.
Which kind thing be this one safe? Ha!
Tina, put akara for fire for me. Leave talk. Every time you two they talk. Talk there your mouth every time.
Ale, calm down now. I be make her for no talk again.
Your own na ball. Chelsea left, Chelsea right. If your papa drink Chelsea finish, you go remain small for you. You don't know say na yourself you dey do.
Mama, Chelsea no be drink na club. You know, so as I can never ready now, Michael, Tina, I ain't later now.
Oh, may they try kill them this time.
They put akara for me.
Sorry.
What is that?
I don't finish.
Oh yeah, they do am. Turn.
See, I'm not don't ready now.
Which kind problem is this one now? This idiot no dey pick my call. Tina, you pick my call. Don't choke me for this island. I want to reach mainland like this. Maybe I want from see just 3K now. Oh, God help me. Which kind problem is this?
Go kill you for that place. Go punish.
Hey, you dey mad? Oh, go kill you too. Marcella can give me now. Don't give.
Abeg, no vex. Abeg, customer, no vex. My leather don't finish. Make she rush go buy me akara. Tina, go Suraju shop, go buy me white leather. Make I take sell akara. Tina, I don't dey warn you for this phone. Every time you dey press phone, you dey look for my trouble. Go Suraju shop.
Lift up, give me the money. And because I say I dey here, they help you.
Then go house. What you dey here they do?
Wetin I dey here they do. But I don't grind brace here. Fry one rubber of akara. I still don't know wetin I dey here they do.
Tina, you do now.
You wait I dey come.
Do I beg now because I like your mama akara. I beg do. I dey hungry.
I blame you. Asu strike, I blame. You say you and Jerry dey school. Now, I no go dey here, they talk every time. Go fast though. Customer dey here. Oh. Customer vex, abeg. No vex, No vex.
I can't dey here now, they wait. I like this kind of thing.
I go dey here, they talk every time. Nonsense.
my God, oh my word. Thank you so much for saving me from those armed robbers, those kidnappers, those ritualists. I don't know what they want from me. I'm so scared right now.
All right, just calm down. Tell me what happened. Oh, come on, relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. You are safe.
Okay.
Now tell me what happened.
My iPhone 13 Pro Max, my ATM card with so much of money in the account, my expensive designers handbags. They took my handbag with 1.5 million in it, and I lost everything. My car, my Porsche, everything. Oh my word.
Like seriously?
Yes.
As in you lost all those things?
Yes, right now. I just lost everything. Oh my word. My car, my Porsche, my daddy gave it to me on my birthday. And it's the newest version of it. And they collected everything from me. My money. I don't have anything on me right now.
Why are people wicked? Why?
Yeah.
All right, then in that case, we need to, drive to the police station and make an entry.
No. I'm fine. I'll be fine. I know. I'm just scared. I'm just scared of what happened, and because that hasn't happened to me before. But I'll be fine. My daddy's rich. My daddy can always get me something. He's gonna replace everything. But I'm fine. Oh my word! Oh my word! It's so scary out here.
I'm so sorry. Now go on and tell me, how did you get into this den?
My boyfriend, we came to see a friend here, and Otedola's last son. Yes, that's my boyfriend, and he said he loves me. We came to see a friend, and relationship thing, and we had an argument, and I told him it's over, and I just left just that way, and I met those criminals on the way. They took everything, thousands of them, millions of them. Oh my word.
All right, just relax and just slow down.
Okay.
Slow down.
I'm scared. Are you with me? Am I all right? Am I going to be fine?
Oh, okay. To prove to you that you will be fine, let me take you to my house.
Your house?
Yes.
Is it comfortable for me? Okay, fine. Just let's go.
All right.
My word.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Oh my word.
We live in a wicked world.
Yes, very wicked people everywhere.
Wow.
Okay, we'll be fine. We're done. Thank God.
This idiot dey busy my call. Abi she don enter one chance. Oh, Yahoo boy don't touch him. Ha! Abi no dey even hear wetin she been dey talk. Abi she don enter trouble. She no dey even pick my call sef.
Wow, customer beg no first.
Ah, wow.
She go soon be here.
I don't tire. Don't tire.
She go soon come. Eh? Beg.
Male. Why your face be like this? Mom, say how far now?
You see your sister for road?
My sister, Tina. I don't see how. Maybe because I know past straight, sha. Because I take waka come.
Tina, why I send message? Make she go Suraji shop. When they here, go buy me white leather. Make I take Thai akara for my customer. Now how Tina waka go? I no see him again.
Now you are go blame now. Eh? You look finish, children food this street where they run up and down. You not send anybody message. Now snail, now you send message, me go buy something for you. And today you know Tina. You know how she dey waka now, waka dey be. You go shock you now say she don't dey one bet Nigerian shop. They play bet with them boys. And now you cause them, they find children the same message. Oh.
I go deal with Tina today. I go deal with that girl. Eh? You see una they give me wahala here. Two of una they give me wahala. Eh? Which kind of strike be this one? I go faithful now. Eh? What kind of trouble be this one now?
Okay, you don't become una. Something waiting I do you now, you don't put that for my head. Una they give you wahala. Eh? Not be Tina they give you problem. Una they give you wahala. Now stroll, I say make I stroll come here, come greet you. Now I don't dey, now stray bullets don't meet me. Oh wahala.
Now what make I faint here?
Mama, this one way they talk now. Now stroll, I say make I stroll come here, come greet you. You don't put Tina matter for my head now. Now we they give you wahala, not be Tina again.
Tina, why I send? May she go buy me leather. I don't know whether she won't sleep there. I bet she won't sleep there. Eh?
Don't worry, I go help you. I go help you, cut Tina.
I don't tire. You don't say now.
You go send message. Na Tina will be snail. Hello Tina, where you dey? Eh? Where you dey? She na let my mom send you you go buy since morning. Where you dey now?
Hello, see me here, don't dey come, I don't dey come. What can I no give me a beg? Saruju no dey, go mocks. No, okay shop, I go buy the leather.
Eh? Oh, you leave this whole mainland now already. Now you find leather go. See customers full here, they wait for you. Now nylon they wait for.
You go at Jegunle.
No let me come meet you for where you dey. You know as my matter they be. You know as my matter they be. Start to the come shop now. See they wait. Customers they wait. They come shop now. I don't pour spit for ground though. This spit dry. Say you never reach here. You know as my matter they be. I don't go here. They come shop now. They run. They come. I don't tell you finish.
I dey come. Which kind wahala be this? So say I dey school, all this talk I for no dey hear am. Wow.
I come greet you. Stray bullet don't meet me.
She should come back. Me, I go deal with him today.
You just waka come now, make I come greet you. You put am for my head too. Momsi, should they come? They come, I beg, eh?
Na Suraji shop we no dey far.
Oh, my no stay train on Friday. Suraji go won't do everything we get to do. Go market, come back before time for mosque reach, eh?
You don't tell why I send them this message, oh. Since morning.
I don't know.
Hey, no touch my akara again. No try am. No try am again, no. No try am. Jerry one je. No even try am next time.
Your mom say they hungry now. Are they hungry? Eh? Meanwhile, wait till you even chop for house today. She na akara be.
Come chop me. You don't feel cook? You dey wait for my leg to come cook for you. I no blame you, na government too I blame.
When I get mom see I get
Agaracha, you don't come back.
Saruju no dey shop. Shebi na here I follow go. You no see say na this place I can't follow come back.
You can't enter Russia. Go buy leather for me. Between pikin. Come here, come turn beans for me.
Oh, Malema, how they turn me since now? How they turn me since nobody gree talk?
If I turn you, you turn am back. Go there, go turn beans for me.
You don't the best shop. They argue. They argue up and down. Why I know what turn you? Headaches was going into. Shop where they send you since go buy leather. That's it. You don't they argue for that bed in that shop.
100 naira.
This multi you want play bets. Or you want use 100 and win 1 million.
You just dey do wetin dey do. Let's see, man no follow. I tell my say they turn me. They say man come dey grand games.
That's it, be gambler. How much you don't win? How much you don't win?
Yeah, you go see him now.
See waiting,
you
see fire.
Big boy.
I dream
Now
like
you
this.
spoil this for.
See this one. For us, wasting time for you. This one, Najara.
Maybe akara 50 naira. So I can say akara 100 naira. See what you they give me.
Akara na 300 naira. Don't put 2 for you. Smile now.
How much you don't win?
Yes, I asked for hustling. Hustling.
Yes! This is money! This is money! This is money! This is money! It's money! It's money! It's money!
Angels! Angels!
Mr. President,
And we shut every damn thing
give
up.
us the control.
Just like we shut down the island.
Angels,
There's some nice guys!
Angel! Yes, I am that angel.
Yes.
I have no wings. But I fly higher than down with a wind. And the minister was screaming, kill me, give it, finish me.
And I said, my minister, I want a land in Asokoro and my summer. And he said, consider it done. You know, and logic could not get enough of me. I took him to the moon and back. And morning,
yes, I asked for
I
hustling.
was praying. And I said, Aladdin, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. This is what we are meant to do. One time. We are the money-making machine.
Mr. Commissioner,
As for me, Barbara, do you know what my target is?
What?
The villa. I just want a one-night
give us the
presidential stand.
Yes.
Because I want to wreck the world.
angels for life.
When we are done with that woman, what's that her name again? What's that her name again? Goldie. Oh, Goldie or whatever she was. When we are done with her, she will not step her foot into the National House of Assembly.
Angels for life. For life.
Come on. If EFCC can't catch my madam, catch me joy. They can't ask me wetin this woman and these babes they work for living. Wetin I go talk? Eh? Oh boy. See as they just enter here, spread money, spread drink, burst everywhere. They don't even add 2 cars, join for their self. Come on. Sure say my gate they lock. Just go come out 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. You no go see them for house. When they come back na groove. No space to even park cars. They don't park. Boy, so say just na. I don't catch like 100k. 4 times of my salary. Eh? But I dey feel.
My own is the best. Buy my bushmeat, Oga. Buy my bushmeat, Oga. Leave that one, buy this one, Oga. Buy my bushmeat, buy my bushmeat. Leave that one, buy my bushmeat, Oga. Buy my bushmeat, Oga. Leave that one, buy this one, Oga. Buy my bushmeat, buy my bushmeat. Leave that one, buy. Oga, this one is bigger, this one is bigger. What's the problem? Stay that side now. Stay there now. Why are you following me? Stay there now.
You can't sell today. I never sell now. Why you lie there like this?
Why are you following me? Stay there now.
You can't sell today. I never sell now. Why you lie there like this? I beg.
Shift.
Wait now. You guys should calm down.
I never said my office. Stop now.
Okay, we don't calm down now. We don't calm down. This one at 10,000.
10,000. Just finish 6,000.
No verse. This one a fake one. See this one verse. How big now?
My own is bigger. See my own. My own is bigger.
This one now
This
fake.
one is
This
bigger,
one now
6,000.
fake. See my own. Please don't fool. Look, I'm not do like this. Not this boy business. Uncle, Adam now, add something. 7,000. See my own, don't big now. See my own, see your own now. This one a baby. I beg. This one a fake one. This one a fake. This one a see meat. Don't fool for my own side.
My own is
now.
bigger. Don't mind him. My own is bigger.
See that? Okay. I beg. How much are you selling? I beg. Add some now. Give me 7,000. Yes, now. See, I'm
don't mind him. Bring 5,000. Bring 5,000 for this one. Price something now.
See now. Oh, Uncle Kong. See, wait now. See. Look, come on now. See. Uncle, wait.
Price something now.
See now. Oh, Uncle Kong. See, wait now. See. Look, come on now. See. Uncle, wait now.
Pami.
You guys are. Pami. Why now?
Why what?
Why they call they drag my customer like that?
Which your customer? I no go sell money.
What be your own now? Sure you go sell today?
Yes.
You sell one now.
I never said this one now.
Why they do like this?
I will carry this one go house.
Guy, I dey play. Dey your lane. Dey your lane, me I dey my own lane.
What did they bring that one? You did crazy. Which kind of talk with that one?
What? This thing, if it not be you now, I would have sold this for 7,000 or 8,000.
You would have sold it for 10,000.
You just the cut price. You just the cut price now.
I sell my own.
Why they do like this? You just spoil the business.
And they spoil which business?
So all this. I beg, dey your lane, oh. One day I will come blow you, oh.
You go blow me.
I go blow you, oh.
You go blow me.
I go blow you now. Wait, what you want to do? I don't fit blow you.
Waiting I want.
Get out!
And they fear
Dey
me.
your side. You dey fear me. You know they fear me before. You know they fear me
You
before.
won't fight me.
I beg, dey your side.
Yes, I'm hustling. You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all. Jai, Mr. Commissioner, you must award the contract. Mr. President, give us the contract.
Oh, your house?
Of course.
Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful like me. Oh my word. You know, this house, it actually reminds me of my father's house in Maitama in Abuja. You know, this costs pretty a fortune. And it's befitting anyway. It looks good. You want this kind of house?
Thank you. Allow me to take you inside.
Oh, please. Wow! This, it's, oh my goodness, it reminds me of my uncle's house in UK. You know, it's so magnificent. Oh, my uncle, like everything here, the house, your cars, everything. You know, this uncle of mine has been actually begging, pleading that I come stay in UK, but I said no. As a good citizen of Nigeria, I don't like that. Gosh, what? I like Nigeria. Oh my word. Your house is so beautiful, so beautiful. I can actually, you know, I really love your house. Just a little touch of Lisa being in your house and everything was so sparkle and so perfect. And I don't even think I'll be living anytime soon because I love it.
Right, let me take you inside. Be careful, be careful. Now please come.
Oh, you're...
All right, make yourself comfortable, please.
Oh.
Well, I was just wondering if you're still hypertensive because of what happened to you earlier. Hey, I'm trying to make you relax your nerves.
Oh.
Should I get you something to drink?
Yes, champagne or Domprier and Clicquot, you know. Drinks like that helps calms my nerves, you know. I have been through a lot the whole of today. No. Lizzie, I texted my father concerning the case and he said the case has been reported to the state CID and even the Commissioner of Police and also the Inspector General. And my father assured me that I am safe and my car will be returned back to me very soon.
Wow.
Yes.
That's a good news.
I feel so hot in here. I don't know if your AC is working very well.
Of course. Oh, it is. It's working very well. In other words, those people chasing you will not tamper with your car anymore because it's sports.
Really? I don't know. What do you mean? Oh, yes. Yes, you know, it's a new version to me. That book, that book is something else.
I'll get you champagne. Or maybe red wine. Excuse me.
Yes. Hey, eating. You try and be posh. Eating that one, me waiting concern. I don't hear that kind of English before. Push. Oh boy, this house. This mama correct. She's supposed to be buga with a big grammar. She na this AC I say you know the work. This AC one kill me. Me wey dey both for inside Ajegule. I don't stay this kind of house before. Instead you AC go kill me, I kill you. Me wey poverty no kill for inside Ajegule, now you wan come kill me. Na today we dey fear cold. We die here. See this chair. She even carry me go salon. She don't know say I be bako, I be local. I be package. Lizzie dey try for packaging. Forget. We meal.
So, here we go. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Now, wow. I will take it later, you know.
These are yours.
I need it to be cozy. Hey.
So tell me, are you from where?
What?
Are you from where?
Lagos State.
Oh.
Yes, I was born and raised in London. I schooled in Manchester, London.
Oh, that's nice. Super nice. So, what do you do for a living? You walk? Oh, I mean, pardon me, please. Your kind of person doesn't need to work. All you need to do is just sit back, relax, and eat. That is big money.
Exactly. You know, you got it all right.
I know.
You know, at some point, I tried to work, but, you know, it's not my thing. So I got really stressed. You know, I worked because I don't want to be loafing around. And my daddy said, baby girl, Lizzie darling, Lizzie baby, Lizzie sweetheart, don't worry, don't stress yourself, okay? Just sit back at home and enjoy my money. I'm not walking. Oh, that's my daddy. I'll call him later.
Oh, come on. Don't be a naughty girl. Pick your daddy's call. I will excuse you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Why? What is this? Who sent you this old man? Why they coming now? Why they coming now? See better destiny helper. Eh? What's in I want top? You want spoil my package? No, they good make village people, they follow you, they walk up and down. No? Papa, you want spoil my package? No, they call me. Village people, no, they follow me.
Elizabeth. When you go work, go since yesterday. I mean, you don't want to come house again, when you go home for your mother.
Which kind of problem is this, Jesus? This man want to kill my packaging. God no go shame us last. Now I go off him.
Are you done talking to your papa?
Oh yes, I'm done. My daddy was actually worried about me, but I told him I'm fine, you know. My daddy is still so upset over what happened to me today by those bandits, and I just told him I'm fine, but I'm good, I'm safe.
It's all right.
Yes.
It's all right.
So, do you live here all alone?
Of course. Is anything the matter?
Oh, no, not at all. I'm fine. I live alone.
Okay.
So I love my privacy. That's it. But I hope I'm not in any way inconveniencing you.
No. Come on, relax.
Oh.
Feel free. I have forgotten what you called your name.
Lizzie Johnson.
Lizzie. Is it Lizzie or Lizzie?
Any of them.
Oh, I see. Lizzie Johnson. Yes. You've just reminded me of this Nollywood star. Her name is Mercy Johnson.
Oh, that's my cousin. Really? Yes, she's my cousin.
I am her #1 fan.
Wow.
Believe me.
The moment I call her, just like this, she picks my call.
Oh, yeah?
She's very loyal. She's my girl. Mercy Johnson. Come on, she's my girl. She's loyal to me because I'm rich. My daddy is rich. Yes.
Call me Lady Golden. Just Lady Golden.
Lady Gold. Oh, that's beautiful. I can see gold everywhere. Lady Gold.
Wait now. Can I be here? I can't set my trap. And on this side. No, now here. Where my own trap there now? Where that trap there? Oh, wow. Wait, person can't take my trap. Wait, the person can't take my trap or wait. How far now? But then they find my trouble for this village, oh. Then they find my trouble. Who can carry my trap? Last week it was my bushmeat. Now the trap itself. What is all this? Huh? Make una hear, I go call Amadi Alpha now. He go call strike person. Person where you can't take my trap. I'm telling you. Bushmeat disappear today in a trap. I'm not playing, no. If you know now you take my trap, bring them. Bring them now. What is so? I don't understand. I don't understand. Wow. What's all this? So who will come carry my trap where I'm for that side? This is not funny at all. What is all this now? Inuka, you see my trap where I set for that side? You can't see my trap, my bush trap. You see how? Trap what? What do you mean trap? I set my trap last night. I can't come this morning. It's not there. What are you saying? Have you you take my trap? Or you say person where you can't take them?
Maybe some animals have gathered and moved your trap.
Rubbish is that? What do you mean? An animal go fit collect trap? Come what? What are you saying?
What I'm saying is some stronger animals can move your trap.
Look, I suspect you.
What?
I can't suspect you. Which stronger animal? You are that stronger animal, Abi? I suspect you.
I say hold it there.
I suspect you.
Why will you be suspecting me?
Why not go suspect you? Which rubbish is a stronger animal go come carry your trap? It make sense? Then you are that person. I suspect you now.
Hold it there, hold it there.
What did where?
Are you trying in any way to accuse me
now.
of stealing your trap? Raymond Obase, stop accusing me. You know me, I have many traps.
So what?
And you know I'm a better hunter than you. Why will I steal your trap?
Don't talk that rubbish.
Single trap.
What do you mean that you are a better hunter than me?
I'm a better hunter than you.
Idiot.
You just go to the bush and you do not catch any meat. You come back and be accusing people.
I define my trap.
Go and look for your trap.
Better hunter. No better hunter. I define my trap.
Go and look for your trap.
I know what I will do. I'm going to tell His Majesty. I'm going to tell His Majesty now. That trap, I must find him this night.
So, go and tell His Majesty now.
Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Say he go come call you. He go say come. No come now. Don't come and see what will happen.
Now you know.
I must find that trap this night. I'm telling you.
Don't know anything about your trap. Go and look for your trap.
I must find that trap this night, oh. Okay now. This trap, I must find out this night, oh. I'm telling you. I don't set my trap. Person will just come take them. And I know it's you. See where you go. You don't think I'm outside, you go again? Huh? In the car. Okay now. You go. Idiot. Rubbish. See one animal carry my car. You get mad.
Ah, girlie, if you see where your babe dey right now, they talk to you, girl, you no believe me. And they tell you no believe her. I dey inside heaven, I dey, so they make this call. I don't make her. You self no go believe am. And they tell you, babe, like this, yes, now who come now? Can me enter this house when I dey, so now inside heaven I dey, they talk to you like this for God.
I don't understand. You don't die how?
You dey crazy. Who die? If you like go one kill for there, Holy Ghost fire. Die ke? They mad. Be like your ear they pain you. And they tell you say, now God, now you just carry me enter this connection like this. Now carry me enter this house for Lekki. Yes, now I dey inside one kind big mansion. I don't dey buga inside.
I never still understand what they yarn.
Baby, they crazy. And they tell you say now God connect me enter this house, this mansion. Where are they so for inside Lekki so? Now so my sister.
I think say you go see that guy. Where he dey safe? Your mama don't dey worry for you for area.
Share are they lost ni? Why did they find me? Sure? They not just freestyle baby girl. Sure, I tell they say they go my friend marriage for her place. Why they come they find me? Baby, they don't find me. May nobody give me pressure. May nobody pressure me at all. She can't level be down. Hey, babe. So I tell you now, I don't make her. I dey inside Lekki. One fine house for inside Lekki. Now just one mama, now she just see me like this. Just save
fine. And they come over the far.
Abi the man don't marry. Abi a woman jam you.
Babe, ke. She babe they mad ni. Who I be like side chick. Babe, no be smart no. If I tell you what that idiot to me, If I tell you what I use this my eyes see, you know go better for that Jojo. But anyways, I see the same paro self now carry me enter this kind of firehouse. Babe, see as house fine for inside this leggy. House fine, everything just fresh, everything just enter. I dey tell you now.
Crazy man. Omo, you just dey talk off. Give me better gist now. Give me gist. Abi, you don't dey do lazy. You know they had you.
Lazy ke? You are who they do that one. Who they do lazy with you? Ma tell you as it happen. Babe, you are who they do that one. Lazy ke? Who get this strength? Babe, wait, ma tell you what happen. You know, say after me and Jojo can't do everything finish. Go spend time. Go escort me rich kids.
Wow, watermelon. You were just dropping on the bed. Oops, you look like a girl.
Oh, baby.
Let me do the transfer for you.
I hope you enjoyed it. You had fun. It was me, right?
Enjoy is understatement. I was in heaven.
Wow.
That's middle. It was like raindrop. It kept on. I was, babe. In short, I cannot wait to see you again. I will call you. I must call you. It's a must now.
I told you.
Yes,
sweet in the middle.
I will call you. Sweet in the middle. I love it. Yeah, babe. I'm going to transfer to you 150K. Just give me your account details, okay? Wow, babe, you're so sweet.
You say?
I will transfer to you 150K now.
Baby. 150. No, now. Look me from head to toe. From head to toe, you know that I'm what's more than that. Baby, look at me very well. It's sweet in the middle.
I know it's sweet in the middle, but that was what we bargained, wasn't it?
I know. So, this is your house?
This is one of my houses.
Oh, you own this house? I said it. You are a lucky time bomb.
Let me quickly,
Baby, you are small but mighty. Anyways, that small boys they run the town. Small boys, big things, big money, big moolah.
the money is choke. You reach here. Nah, don't worry. Do you know what? I will make a round figure for you. Okay? Yes, I will do it tomorrow.
Baby, Jojo the baller. Call me watermelon, baby.
Yes, now. Drip drop, rainfall.
Drip drop. Baby, why not make it 200? You know, as a big girl. No, 250. 250? Yes, 250. Yes, baby. Yes. You know, you have to give me this impression that you are a lucky big time baller, you know? So don't fall your hand. It's not good.
Lie, mommy be doing.
I know, Jojo.
Shut down.
Baby, 250.
No problem. 250?
Yes.
Just impute your account, okay? I will make the transfer now for you. Just impute. Put the correct one, no?
Of course.
I don't want to send it to him because you know it gave me joy. So that joy.
Maybe I'm your joy giver. So sweet in the middle.
My drip drop. Okay?
That's it.
This is it.
Yes, okay. Baby.
Pakam. Bankal out na pakam. Checking all the bounce.
Wait.
Bankal out na pakam. Checking all the
Baby! Baby, I love you!
Lifestyle!
I love you!
I am the lifestyle.
Baby, that's the lifestyle!
And I'm Babe, check me out now. Bembe. Whoa! Watermelon, baby! Drip drop. You're my drip drop. You're my drip drop. I love that middle.
Oh, yeah?
I must always call you.
Sweet in the middle.
Whoa!
50K. Lucky big time baller. My big boy.
No.
I love you, baby. I'm going to miss you so much.
See, I I will call you again and again. Sweet in the middle. Sweet in the middle.
Call me that.
3 drop.
Sweet in the middle.
The water flow.
Water flow.
Oh my God. I love this.
I love you, baby.
Okay, I would have loved to do you.
If you want to make it 300, extra 50.
Oh! You like money. Calm down. Calm down. Never read that ice cream. But baby, you know what? I would have loved to drop you off. But as you can see, I haven't finished nothing. Hope you understand.
Yes, baby, I understand. There's no problem. I've already chartered my driver off to come pick me, so
wow.
that's fine.
Alright. Watermelon, baby.
Drip
drop.
drip drop. Sweet in the middle.
Sweet in the middle. I can't wait to have you again. This time I'm going to eat you.
Maybe your money will come up.
My money will come up. You like money. Yeah, I've always known it for that. But no problem. Anything, I'm work sleeping now.
I know you're a big boy.
Now.
That's my baby.
Just take good care of yourself, okay? I'll meet you. Take care, okay? Bye.
Lizzie, don't make her. You have made it. This is 250k, 250k. Okay. Babe, as I'm talking to you now, this leg is with me. I have 250k in my account. The guy just send them just like that. I'll just give her wuto for anybody. Oh no. Babe, this leg is with me. Hold on, I dey come this plenty. Madam Grace, of course, I sent you 50,000 naira for the hair. Yes, I did. Have you received? Perfect. So now you don't get to keep bugging my phone with thousands of calls, millions of calls. No way, I don't want that anymore. Of course, I know it's business. Have you received your lot? Perfect. No, it's fine. All right, talk to you. Who runs the city now?
Guess I asked for hustling. hustle,